how to get a refund from Taobao. So in this video I'm going to explain how they work, how refunds work. You want to open up the Taobao app, and next you click on your profile icon in the bottom right. So once you click on the your profile icon, what we want to do is just select the order which we want to get a refund for. So this is going to be the first field here that contains all of your orders. So just click on that, and here you will find the order which you want to refund. Click on the specific order, and there's going to be one button here, not more, which is going to say refund, but in Chinese. So click on that button. You will need to give a reason why you are requesting a refund, and it's only going to happen if you pay for the shipping and also if the seller agrees. So it's going to be a little bit of a hassle, and the seller might not agree to a refund, but if they do, you will be refunded the amount which you paid for the product itself and not the shipping cost. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.